And we finally are in front of the new Sunlight Cliff 4x4, the new variant, the green track variant that they just announced, starting for $73,499, and we shall be getting straight inside. So this is actually the 2026 model, resembling some new stuff, standard Ford Transit 4x4, seating for 4 people, the standard design that already had, with the actual 2 burner stoves, 2 cabinets, standard design, fridge on the lower part, sink, the toilet, and pretty nice and spacious. Also the same design as the standard Cliff. And on the back we have 1 cabinet for the kitchen and 4 deep cabinets for your belongings, with a cabinet right up there. Actually, the bed is a pretty good size, measuring approximately 1.9 at the longest part and approximately 1.2, but to the end on that it's slightly longer, so 1.4. Not bad. And then going out, getting a view of the back. Well, we are looking at a pretty standard garage of about 0.8 and 1.3, and the height is approximately 0.8. Not bad. And well, this is mostly a new design. It resembles a color, probably a slight lift kit, and in this version we have the Loader 81 tires. These are the Delta 4x4 rims with the badge of Sunlight put on top of the Delta rims, and the Ford Raptor look from the front.